In 2025, the world is abuzz with talk of AI agents. These aren't just fancy chatbots. They are powerful tools that can supercharge our productivity. Imagine having a tireless assistant, one that can handle tasks, gather information, and even make decisions, all while you focus on what matters most. That's the promise of AI agents. These digital helpers are already changing the way we work and live. From automating mundane chores to tackling complex problems, AI agents are poised to revolutionize countless industries. As we delve deeper into the age of artificial intelligence, understanding these agents becomes crucial. This isn't science fiction, this is the reality of 2025. And the best part is that anyone can leverage this technology. You don't need to be a coding wizard to build and deploy your own AI agent. With the right tools and a little guidance, you can start automating tasks and streamlining your workflows. So buckle up and get ready. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI agents. By the end of this essay, you'll have the knowledge and resources to start building your own. Welcome to the future of productivity. You've probably heard of ChatGPT. It's the AI chatbot that took the world by storm. ChatGPT can hold conversations, generate creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and answer your questions in an informative way. But AI agents are a different breed altogether. Think of ChatGPT as a knowledgeable conversationalist. It can answer your questions and generate text, but it doesn't take actions on its own. AI agents, on the other hand, are proactive and autonomous. They can interact with the world around them. Imagine giving an AI agent a goal. It could be something simple like book a table at my favorite restaurant for Friday night, or it could be more complex, like research the latest trends in renewable energy and draft a presentation for my next team meeting. An AI agent wouldn't just give you a list of links or a pre-written presentation. It would go out into the digital world, interact with websites, databases, and other services to complete the task. It would be like having a personal assistant who can navigate the internet and the real world with ease. This is a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI. We're moving beyond simple conversations and into the realm of autonomous action. This is where things get really exciting. Building an AI agent might sound daunting, but it's easier than you think. Several powerful tools are available to help you get started. These tools provide the building blocks for creating sophisticated AI agents without requiring you to be a coding expert. One such tool is AgentGPT. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to create and deploy AI agents using a simple, intuitive interface. With AgentGPT, you can define your agent's goals, provide it with initial instructions, and watch it go to work. Another powerful tool is AutoGPT, an open-source application that takes AI agent automation to the next level. AutoGPT can chain together different tasks, break down complex goals into smaller steps, and even learn from its mistakes. It's like having a tireless intern who's always learning and improving. For developers who want more control over the AI agent creation process, there's OpenAI's Assistant API. This powerful API provides access to OpenAI's cutting-edge language models, allowing developers to integrate them into their own applications and build custom AI agents tailored to their specific needs. These are just a few of the many tools available to aspiring AI engineers. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and user-friendly tools to emerge, making AI agent development accessible to everyone. Let's dive into the practical side of things and build a simple AI agent using AgentGPT. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. First, you need to tell your AI agent what you want it to achieve. Let's say you're a coffee lover, always on the lookout for new brewing methods. Your goal could be, find a new cold brew coffee recipe and send it to my email address. Head over to the AgentGPT website and create an account if you haven't already. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Click on the Create New Agent button. You'll be prompted to give your agent a name. Let's call it Coffee Connoisseur. In the instruction box, type in your goal, find a new cold brew coffee recipe, and send it to your email address. Be clear and specific with your instructions. Click on the Deploy Agent button and watch the magic happen. AgentGPT will get to work, scouring the internet for the perfect cold brew recipe. Once your agent finds a suitable recipe, it will send it directly to your email address. Congratulations, you've just built and deployed your first AI agent. Section 5. Evaluating the agent's performance. After your agent completes its task, it's crucial to review its performance. Did it successfully find a new cold brew coffee recipe and deliver it to your inbox? Was the recipe relevant to your request? Reviewing the output helps you understand how well your agent performs and identify areas for improvement. If the agent struggled to understand your instructions or provided irrelevant results, you might need to refine the instructions or provide more context. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and instructions to see how your agent adapts. The more you interact with it, the better you'll understand its capabilities and limitations. Remember, building an effective AI agent is an iterative process that involves continuous learning and refinement. Section 6. Expanding the power of AI agents integrations with Zapier and Make.com. While AI agents like those built with AgentGPT are powerful on their own, their true potential is unlocked when integrated with other tools and services. This is where platforms like Zapier and Make.com come into play. Zapier and Make.com allow you to connect different web applications and automate workflows. Imagine connecting your AI agent to your project management tool, email client, or even your social media accounts. The possibilities are endless. For instance, you can set up a Zapier integration that automatically creates a new task in your project management system whenever your AI agent identifies a critical issue in your website analytics. Or you can use Make.com to trigger a series of social media posts promoting your latest blog post, all based on the content analyzed and summarized by your AI agent. By integrating AI agents with other tools, you can automate even more complex tasks and streamline your workflows. This opens up a world of possibilities for boosting productivity and efficiency across different aspects of your work. Section 7. AI agents at work. Real-world applications for IT professionals. AI agents are already transforming various industries, and the field of IT is no exception. IT professionals are finding innovative ways to leverage AI agents to automate tasks, improve security, and enhance overall efficiency. One area where AI agents shine is in network monitoring and management. Imagine an AI agent that constantly analyzes network traffic, identifies potential security threats, and takes proactive measures to mitigate risks. This could free up IT professionals from constant vigilance, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks. Another promising application is in software development. AI agents can assist with code review, bug detection, and even generate code snippets, reducing development time and improving code quality. This allows developers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of software engineering. AI agents can also play a crucial role in help desk and technical support. By automating responses to common queries, troubleshooting technical issues, and escalating complex problems to human agents, AI can significantly improve response times and enhance customer satisfaction. Section 8. Navigating the challenges, limitations, and risks of AI agents. While the potential benefits of AI agents are undeniable, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations and risks associated with this technology. One primary concern is the potential for bias in AI decision-making. Because AI agents learn from the data they are trained on, they can inherit and even amplify existing biases present in the data. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in sensitive areas like hiring or loan applications. Another challenge is the black box problem. AI agents can sometimes make decisions that are difficult for humans to understand or explain. This lack of transparency can make it challenging to identify the root cause of errors or to trust the agent's judgment in critical situations. Furthermore, the ethical implications of increasingly autonomous AI agents require careful consideration. As AI agents become more sophisticated and capable of making independent decisions, questions arise about accountability, responsibility, and the potential impact on human autonomy. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach involving ethical guidelines for AI development, robust testing and validation processes, and ongoing research to improve the transparency and explainability of AI decision-making. Section 9. The future of AI. Embracing the transformative power of intelligent agents. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the capabilities of AI agents are only going to become more impressive in the years to come. As AI models continue to improve and the tools for building and deploying AI agents become more accessible, we can expect to see a surge in their adoption across various industries. Imagine a future where AI agents are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, assisting us with everything from managing our schedules and finances to providing personalized education and entertainment. The possibilities are truly limitless. Early adoption of AI agents can provide a significant competitive advantage. By embracing this technology today, businesses can streamline their operations, unlock new levels of productivity, and gain a deeper understanding of this transformative technology. The future of AI is bright, and those who embrace the power of intelligent agents will be well positioned to thrive in an increasingly automated world. So, take the leap, start exploring the world of AI agents, and position yourself at the forefront of this exciting technological revolution.